Oh my god, this is horrifying. What a metal monster. Admire the sheer and amazing power of these mighty machines as they transport animals and heavy cargo. Oh my god, the Chevy truck is stuck deep in the creek, its wheels spinning helplessly in the mud. The tractor roars to life, its cable taut, slowly pulling the vehicle out of the swamp. Mud and dirt splash everywhere, creating a dramatic and intense scene of rescue.
There you go. Oh, come on! Hey!
When horsepower hits its limit, all limits are broken. John Cohen goes all out in the 8,000-pound class. Does this roaring engine make you want to own one? Let me know. Can you feel the tension in this situation? The Ford truck slides helplessly across the muddy terrain, its wheels spinning in desperation. Just when it seems all hope is lost, the Cat 12M Grader roars to life, pulling with all its might and executing a breathtaking rescue in the nick of time. Can you imagine this scene? The Cat excavator is stuck in the swamp, deeply buried in the muddy ground. With a weight of 63,000 pounds, the powerful MTLB is being pulled out, its tracks digging deep into the earth. The engine roars, dust and mud fly everywhere, creating an intense and dramatic spectacle. Oh my god, a disaster was almost inevitable. During the quarry demolition, a massive rock suddenly collapsed right in front of the Cat 966H. Dust flew everywhere as the machine roared and quickly reversed. A breathless, heart-stopping scene of pure tension. Pay attention to this scene. The hydraulic excavator PC is being lifted onto the tower crane without any ramps for support. Every movement is precise and smooth, with each step requiring perfect coordination between the machinery and the operator's skill. The Caterpillar tipped over while transporting timber, turning the entire scene into a tense standoff. However, the mighty machinery is slowly being restored. Powerful cranes lift, engines roar, and step by step, the machine is brought back to its original position, showcasing strength and precision in action.
Yeah. Try the hydraulic pump that's on that side.
I'm truly captivated by the epic showdown between the K700 and the John Deere 8420, a true testament to cutting-edge science and engineering. Engines roar, wheels spin in the muddy terrain. Who do you think will emerge victorious in this fierce battle? It's truly captivating to witness the powerful Valtra 1780 pulling the stuck Massey 292. Both machines' wheels spin furiously in the deep mud, engines roaring, dust flying in the air. A tense, dramatic moment where strength meets resilience. A tense, dramatic moment of strength and resilience. The Volvo L180H wheel loader, equipped with a powerful engine delivering up to 300 horsepower, provides exceptional performance in tasks like loading, transporting, and lifting materials. With its robust design and advanced technology, the L180H ensures efficient operation on construction sites. Oh my gosh.
Поможет. Жопа-то наверху.
The evacuation was successfully completed after 4 intense hours. The T-170 Bulldozer was powerfully pulled by 2 off-road vehicles, alongside another T-170. The wheels roared over the tough terrain, rocks and dirt flying everywhere, creating a powerful and resilient spectacle.
Не тянет ни хера.
Wow, Apollo is stuck deep in the mud, unable to move. The Komatsu dozer faces its own struggle, but then the powerful Komatsu D68E roars to life, pulling and rescuing Apollo. The ground shakes as dust and mud fly in a tense, nail-biting moment of rescue. At the construction site in Frankfurt, the CAT 390F LME with its powerful engine, along with the Liebherr R974C HRD long front and Hitachi ZX 870 LCH, are working together to demolish the AWR. These machines, with their high power, ensure outstanding performance in handling the demolition process. Faced with challenging conditions, the convoy encounters a significant challenge. Carrying a transformer with a load of up to 211,241 pounds and a total convoy weight of 319,669 pounds, they must detour around a stream. To ensure safety, they utilize a specially developed bypass route to avoid the limitations of the bridge's load-bearing capacity. two massive Caterpillar D11s work side by side, each powerful push ripping through the blasted rock, revealing the valuable coal seen beneath. The ground trembles, and dust billows into the air. These machines truly withstand immense pressure in such a harsh environment. It starts with a convoy transporting a massive 45.4-meter-long oil refinery tower, weighing several tons. With 500 horsepower engines, the convoy operates powerfully and precisely as it moves these giant industrial components. Next up are the KMC 600 and 336F machines, equipped with powerful engines producing up to 600 horsepower, offering exceptional performance in any condition. These three vehicles are excavating the concrete foundation and effortlessly lifting massive concrete slabs, thanks to the combination of strength and advanced technology. When witnessing the Brame and Strawman convoy transporting two halves of a low-pressure turbine shell, these powerful vehicles ensure the safe and efficient transport of the largest turbine components ever produced by GE, valued at millions of dollars. With a powerful 500 horsepower engine, the LSCG Convoy is transporting a 160,374-pound heat exchanger recovery unit. They navigate through challenging terrain and harsh, snow-covered weather conditions safely and efficiently. Designed specifically for this purpose, the convoy ensures precise and stable movement. It's incredible to see such destructive mechanical power. At Bessler's, machines with 200 horsepower engines roar like beasts, crushing, disassembling, and recycling cars in just minutes. A remarkable feat in heavy equipment logistics unfolds as the recovery of an accident-stricken excavator is underway, carried out by a crane mounted on a truck with the support of another excavator. The cables tighten, the crane arm moves with precision, and the entire construction site holds its breath, witnessing this moment of skill and accuracy. Unbelievable. The off-road vehicle hurtled across the water at 80 kilometers per hour, its engine roaring loudly. Water splashed everywhere as it bathed itself in the rolling waves, creating a breathtaking and exciting display of horsepower. always ready to conquer any challenge. The MES-34 roars its horsepower over large rocks like nothing. The powerful engine operates at full capacity. The wheels grip the ground tightly, creating a breathtaking off-road scene where mechanical power truly reigns supreme. A mission reserved only for the bravest and most experienced. SMC Heavy Haulage is transporting a T-Class locomotive through seamless coordination between heavy trucks, trains, and cranes. Every step demands absolute precision and top-tier engineering. Only advanced technology can conquer such obstacles. A roaring T-130 bulldozer arrives to rescue, pulling a stuck Kamaz truck up a muddy slope. The cable tightens like a bowstring, and the tracks grip the slippery ground. The rescue scene is fierce, showcasing the remarkable strength and reliability of heavy machinery in the harshest conditions. A special transportation journey begins. Heavy trucks slowly leave after the special truck exhibition. The road surface shakes, leaving behind the mark of power and cutting-edge technology. If this video makes you overwhelmed, don't hesitate to leave one like or one subscribe if you love this journey.